If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. All right, if you are an eBay seller or you're thinking about getting started selling on eBay, I got a super dope tip that can help you make a lot more money with every sale. Now, if you don't know, I am a proud member of Live Good. If you never heard of Live Good, check out some of my other videos. It is one of the best online business opportunities out there. Now, one thing that's really cool about Live Good is it appeals to the masses. Why? Because Live Good is all about health and wellness products, and they're constantly expanding, you know what I'm saying, their categories and everything. But primarily, it's all about health and wellness. Plus, they have an incredible online business opportunity that can make you some pretty nice money. All right. So you're probably thinking, what the hell does that got to do with selling on eBay? Well, I'm gonna tell you right now. So when it comes to Live Good, you got the opportunity to become a member, or you can become a member and an affiliate. Now, once you become an affiliate, this allows you the opportunity to earn an unlimited income. So all you need to do is become a Live Good member and an affiliate. Now, there is a small cost to become an affiliate, but I mean, this is ultimately a business opportunity. And once you see the earning potential behind Live Good, you'll realize that the affiliate fee is nothing. All right. So to get started with Live Good, you're going to pay a one-time $40 fee, one time. All right. And then after that, it's just $9.95 a month to maintain your Live Good membership. Now, like I said, this $9.95 is going to allow you to get Live Good products at a discounted price. Plus, it keeps you active to be an affiliate. All right. So once you become an affiliate of Live Good, the next thing you want to do is get some flyers made. All right. Here's one that I created. Boom. You can check it out right there. Now, you can create your own flyers, and there's actually another website that have pre-made Live Good flyers. So either you could get one from me or another website. It don't matter. Just get some flyers made, right? So now this is the super easy part. Every time you sell something on eBay, whenever you go to ship it out, just put one of them flyers in the package. That's it, right? It's super simple. Put one of the flyers in the packet. Now remember, this doesn't even matter if you're just selling stuff, you know, that's around your house. Even if you're into garage selling, it doesn't matter. Whenever somebody purchases something, throw one of them flyers in there, and whenever they open up to see their product, they're going to see your Live Good flyer. Now here's the thing. Live Good is such a dope opportunity that most people will be interested in this offer, whether it be on the health and wellness side or whether it be on the side hustle online business side, right? But for every person that does decide to join Live Good and become an affiliate just like yourself, you're going to earn a $25 commission, plus you're going to earn a monthly recurring income. But here's where it gets even better. All right. So for every person that you get, that you personally enroll into Live Good, not only are you going to get the $25 commission, not only are you going to get a monthly recurring commission, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus for whatever that person earns. All right. So keep this in mind. If, say, for example, you sell a jacket, right? You mail off that jacket. You put one of your Live Good flyers in there. That person, you know, checks out the flyer. They're like, oh, this is interesting. Go on to your Live Good site, take the tour. They look at it and they're like, oh, this is cool. And for whatever reason, they get super motivated. They're like, this is the shit. I'm loving this Live Good opportunity. And they go out and they just grind. And that person ends up earning $1,000 a month, right? They end up just making $1,000 a month. Guess what? You're going to get $500 a month, right? Real talk. There are people in Live Good right now already making $10,000, $20,000 a month from Live Good. All right. So trust me when I tell you, this opportunity is incredible, and it's a great side hustle for your eBay business if you use it. So just remember one more thing. You have this opportunity And once you become an affiliate, it's only $9.95 a month to maintain your membership. So just think about the earning potential that you're gonna have, and your overhead is only $10 a month. All right. So if you're in the eBay, this is a dope ass tip. Comment below and let me know what you think about using Live Good with eBay. So if you want to get started with Live Good, you can do so right now. All you need to do is click that first link in the description and take action.